Hey everyone, so this is one of the side projects I have been working on recently. It's a basic AI powered website generator just like bold.new or lovable.dev. It's not super polished, but I thought I would make a quick demo and share it. The idea is simple, you just describe what kind of website you want and the app generates it using AI. Like here, I've given a prompt like make a cool coffee shop website will have some pages and do not include any images or videos as I don't have added any support yet. Let's hit this button and let AI generate website. You can see the output here in the preview tab. This is the basic layout generated by using AI with HTML and CSS. It's not fully functional site yet and anything fancy, but it gives you a good starting point how things works. If you want to check out the actual code, you can switch to the code tab. Just like a file explorer, you can see different files here with the HTML and respective CSS files. You can also click through the different pages like home, about or menu pages so you can actually see them working. So what's the best part? The best part is the backend is not written in Next.js APIs itself but a separate backend using Python Flask APIs. So means the server of Python is running on localhost 8000 and frontend is running on localhost 3000. I have kept things really minimal for now. No drag and drop editor or fancy animations. It's not React compatible yet either, but if you want to build on top of it or turn into a more advanced editor, feel free to do it. I am open sourcing this project, so if that you are into AI or you just want to play around, you can explore it, upgrade the UI or even add a React support. That's pretty much it. Just something I wanted to share out here. The GitHub link is in the description if you want to check it out or contribute. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.